This is a self-contained sound capsule by Trainshop. It provides realistic sound effects to passenger coaching stock without the need for any wiring, soldering, or additional power supply. In the pack, you will find the capsule, a sound tube, and a battery. This is the capsule. It consists of a speaker, the battery compartment, and the motion sensor. The device can be located into the specially designed sound tube to enrich the speaker's sound. The self-contained capsule can then be placed inside your coach. The motion sensor will detect your coach's movement, and the sound effects will commence. They include guard's whistle, wheel squeal, brakes and door slamming. Instructions are included to help with installation. The wire-free coaching stock sound capsule by Trainshop. The capsule, when placed in the sound tube, measures 60 mm by 30 mm, with a depth of approximately 12 mm.